Hi all, stay tuned if you want to see how I was able to make over my staircase all for under $40. I have to honestly say I'm a little embarrassed to show this carpet, but it's disgusting. It's dirty, I'm not willing to clean it anymore, and plus my fur baby is digging for something underneath the carpet, so it definitely needs to go. I don't know what to expect once I pull up this carpet, but I'm hoping for the best. So here I'm just using a box cutter to cut where I want to start removing the carpet. Some places were a little harder than others to pull up, but I kept going. So after I had removed all of the carpet, this is what I was left with, the padding as well as the tack strips, and I'm gonna get started on removing the padding next. So to remove the tack strips, I just used what I had laying around the house, a screwdriver and a hammer, but you need to be very careful. These contain nails and staples. So after removing all of the tack strips, this is what I was left with. I've got a 2-inch gap on one of the risers, and on the landing, it's just plain plywood. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So I need to remove all of the staples that were left after I took up the carpet as well as the padding so that I can have a smooth finish. And again, I'm just using a screwdriver and a hammer to remove those. In order to fix the landing, I bought a couple of pieces of shiplap. I'm using a carpenter's triangle so I can cut the pieces to size. And I previously cut a piece and this is what it'll look like. I don't own a fancy table saw, but this coping saw that I used to cut all of my pieces worked absolutely great. In order to fix this gap, I bought a piece of plywood from Home Depot and had them cut it to size, and I'm just going to attach it to the riser. Now that I have everything nailed down and in place, I'm just going to use some wood filler to fill in some of the holes that I have. I used a sanding block to prep the wood on both the banisters as well as the risers, but on the stairs I used a palm sander to give it a smoother finish. Now that I've added the wood filler and I've sanded everything down, it's time for some paint. I painted the risers with some white paint that I already had in the garage, but the stairs will be painted with this wood stain that's in black cherry. So this is the progress that I've made with just doing the banisters and every other step. I did every other step in order to give it time to dry, and this is the only way that we can get upstairs. So now that the previous stairs that I've stained are dry, I'm going to now stain the landing. Making over my staircase only cost me a total of $39.98. That's $14 for the wood stain, $16 for the shiplap, and $9.98 for the wood fillers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please consider subscribing, comment, and liking this video. And stay tuned for my next home improvement video. Thanks and bye.